Oh my fucking lord. What's up everybody, welcome back to the vlog. As you may have caught in the last video, we did finish up the 2 gloss black wheels that we had to do. Those are back to the customer. He got them in time to get wheels mounted on them so he can go to his dyno tuning day, which I believe is tomorrow morning. He has a dyno session, so he's gonna go ahead and go to that. We're super excited. Once we get pictures of his WRX on those wheels, we'll go ahead and make sure we post them on our social media, so make sure you're following, or we'll go ahead and throw them in a video. Today, it's on the grind to get these wheels super chrome and then transparent red sparkle. We did lose an hour today because of daylight savings time. That does throw us off a little bit, but we're hoping to still be able to get these done. These 2 wheels have been outgassed. Next thing that I gotta do is go ahead and do them super chrome. We'll go ahead and get them in the oven, get them baked at 450 for 12 minutes. Once those are done, we'll set them aside and let them cool. We'll go ahead and go over these 2 wheels with a tack cloth, and we'll go ahead and start to shoot some transparent red sparkle. We do have to let these 2 super chrome wheels completely cure, which means we gotta get them to temp and we have to fully let them cool. We're gonna get those done first so they can do that. These have already cooled because they have been done super chrome for a couple of days. I'm gonna go ahead and upload some super chrome into our Eastwood Hot Coat PCS 1000 hopper, 2-pound hopper, and we're gonna go ahead and get these super chrome while this heats up. So y'all remember that wheel we just powder coated? And it looked great? Well now, it's chrome! Yeah!
Alrighty, so I got caught not recording, doing something again. Oil filter right here in my hand. It's all that's needed left besides adding oil to the car because I'm giving it an oil change. Thurlow's working on these chrome rims. We got Bud in the shop. Yeah. What's up, Bud? Weed's Garage. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get this oil filter on.
What did I do with the fucking tack cloth? I had it this morning.
I'm not helping you looking for that. Let's bust this oil open, put some on the ring. And put this back on. All right, come on, man. There we go. Oh yeah, you like that? You like me massaging you like that? Huh? Yeah. I know you like it. Yo. Let's see if I could figure out where this goes. This needs to move. Let me try to find this again. God damn it. All the way to All right, cool. It's screwing on. Yeah, it's screwing on. I know you guys can't see anything, but as long as you guys know it's screwing on, right? I gotta get this oil off my hand so I can tighten it a little more. Oh my goddamn oil. Almost spilled all my goddamn oil.
So we've got the transparent red sparkle all loaded up, and we're getting ready to shoot this first wheel and get it baking and see how it turns out. Let's do this. Yeah. So, here it is. Transparent red sparkle.
Woohoo! Wow. That is beautifully transparent.
Oh my fucking Lord. So just a quick update. We did get 2 of the wheels already done with the transparent red sparkle from Prismatic Powders. And we actually got 3 done, because here's the 3rd one. We are getting ready to powder coat the 4th right there, and then we've got the rings to do. So we are super excited. The 3rd one is just finishing up, cooling down. The oven's heating up. I'm gonna go ahead and get this other one done. That way the customer can pick them up here in just a couple hours. Let's get it. What's up, everybody? Thank you for checking out today's video. We got those wheels done. The customer came and picked them up. We do have some photos I'm gonna go ahead and throw up to end this video. We thank you all for your support. They turned out absolutely amazing. And I have to give a special shout out to Unknown Coatings. Unknown Coatings contacted us just a little while ago, and he said, hey, check this out. Don't get B17. We got a better product that I've been using. We can get it at a better price. Definitely check it out. Let me know if you want to contact the guy. He sent me the guy's information. The company is Chemstrip. Matt is a gentleman that we're speaking to over there, and I will tell you what, we are getting 30 gallons of Chemstrip coming in this week, and the 30 gallons of Chemstrip with shipping is only $85 more than what 5 gallons of B17 with shipping is. So check out Chemstrip, talk to Matt there, message us and let us know if you need to get his information, and we'll go ahead and give you his information. Super excited about everything that's going on. We got big things that are gonna be coming with the Accord. Now that we got all our powder coating jobs that we currently had done, we're gonna start doing some work on the Accord, tearing this engine down so we can go ahead and inspect the block and make sure it's where we need it to be so we can start doing this build. Again, we want to thank you all for your support. Thank you to our patrons, Martin Brela and Natasha. We appreciate you guys, and we appreciate your support through Patreon. If you want to support this channel through Patreon, there's a link down in the description. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel already, go ahead and click the subscribe button right down here and click on the notification bell and turn to all notifications. That way you're alerted when we upload new content. If this video brought you any value, was interesting or humorous in any way, do us a favor, give it a thumbs up. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm. Our channel has been seeing massive growth because you guys are definitely giving a thumbs up. And here's another thing, it's the best way to support the channel. We got a link for merch down below. Make sure you follow us on social media to stay updated daily. Thank you for checking us out. Peace.